Hello fellow YouTubers, we are here again. Derek Shin, acupuncturist, acupressurist, and teacher of Eastern medicine, and I'm here with my friend Robin, and we're going to show you something in the next couple minutes that could change your life. And why? Because we're going to show you a treatment for your neck stiffness and pain. How many of you experience neck stiffness and pain? I do. I know most of the people in my life do. And if it's not you, it's your husband or your wife or it's your kids or coworkers. So again, we're going to show you something very simple you can do on your own, and that is acupressure. And why acupressure? Because it's been around for 3,000 years, tried and tested. There's no medication involved or side effects. It doesn't cost you anything to do, and it's really simple. Right? So in a couple minutes here, I'm going to show you 3 things that should help you with your stiffness and pain. First one I'm going to show you is one of the master points. This is used for headaches as well. If you go to our headache video, you will see that this is used. And this is GB20, terrific point in the neck area here. Now, you see the skull here, and there's a soft underbelly. What you do is you follow along, and you'll feel a big bump and then a valley. And if you keep running along the skull, or the base of your skull, you'll feel another bump. So it's right in the valley between those 2 big bumps next to your spine. So you put pressure in there. How's it feel? Good. Again, this is one of the best feeling points. When you hit it, you know exactly. It's like, okay, I can feel it, and then boom, as soon as you got it, you know it. Perfect. Sometimes it'll refer up into the head as well. So what do? You hold for about 15 or 20 seconds. If it's too much pressure, just ease up a little bit. Sometimes it can be tender. And you can use your thumb to do this. You can use your fingers as well. But after a while, when you do acupressure in all these points, that your thumbs start to hurt, your fingers start to hurt. So use something like the acupointer, right? It takes pressure off your hands. And this is nice because in the tip of the acupointer, there are tourmaline minerals that are crushed into a powder and they're infused into the tip. And the tourmaline is a natural emitter of infrared, which has a healing effect. So you get the acupressure and then you get the infrared energy. All right? Okay, so GB20 we just did. Another great point for neck pain is GB21, which is, see this trapezius muscle? It's this big mound in your shoulder here. Well, GB21 is right at the top of the mound. So if this is sort of mounded here, it's right at the peak or top of the mound. Perfect. And push and hold. How's that feel? Again, this is one you feel right away. Sometimes it'll refer up into the head. You'll know it when you get it. If you're a little bit forward, you're not going to feel it as much. If you're a little back, but as soon as you get it, you'll know. So, you know, fool around, try to find it, and you'll know it when you get it. Perfect. How's that feel?
Really good.
15 or 20 seconds, right? GB20, GB21. You do both sides. That's all, you know, always better to balance it both sides. The last one I'm going to show you for neck pain is down in your hand. And why this point down in your hand? This is small intestine 3. It's a great point that helps calm the mind. It also relaxes tendons. So small intestine 3. How do you find it? You make a loose fist. Just crunch your fist a little bit. And then you'll see this line, this big palm line that goes right across your hand. And you just follow it all the way to the side of your hand where your baby finger is. So the karate chop part of your hand, okay? And that's where small intestine 3 is. Just follow that palm line right to the side of your hand, push in 15 or 20 seconds, and you can do these points over and over again, right? GB20, GB21, small intestine 3, do them over and over again. What should happen is your neck pain will start to subside. And this isn't all of the treatment. If you want the rest of the points, go to our website, shinkoda.com. We'll teach you the rest of the points. We'll also teach you treatments for headaches, insomnia, anxiety, tennis elbow, all sorts of things. All right, so thanks for joining us. If you found this helpful, please tell your friends about it. And like I said, go to our website and press your way to a healthy day.